Hey everyone, Eric with Rockin H. In this video, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever wanted to stretch out your DCP Kenworth to be long and lean like the real trucks? In this short video, I will teach you how to stretch out your Kenworth W900 like a pro. I have this truck that I added a custom fertilizer tender to, and now I want to repurpose it for an oil-filled vacuum tank, and it needs to be much longer. First, I'm removing the fertilizer tender. I cut the frame, leaving equal amounts of frame on the two pieces. There's two tabs where the fuel tank was mounted on the passenger side. Those have to come off as well. For this job, I'm cutting 732 brass C-channel, 2¼ inches long, so the frame is long enough for the tank I will mount. I painted the brass channel matte or flat black, as well as the tandem axles, as that shade of red is not easy to match. I added a little bit of glue to the frame and added the brass. I'm using my ruler to ensure that the brass is level and true on both sides. When I am satisfied the brass is straight, I add glue to slide the front part of the truck into the brass. Using my ruler again, I go from the back of the cab to the end of the frame to make sure all parts are straight. Then I add Instaset to cure the glue. One final check, I make sure that no parts have moved and the frame is level. To mount the tank, I'm adding a shim to raise the rear of the tandems so there is no gap. The brass C-channel is slightly higher than the original frame. I add a little color to the plastic so I do not see any brown from the sides. When I add my glue to the frame rails, I place it toward the inside so when I add the tank it does not squish out the sides and is visible from the outside. I add the tank, then carefully turn the truck over to make sure it sets on the frame nice and square. Then I add the quarter fenders back. There is light detail on my tank. My red paint pen is small enough I can add the color directly to the lights. Sometimes air bubbles can form inside the light and can be popped with a toothpick. The orange paint pen is too big, so I add some of the color to an old food container lid, add the paint into the light with a toothpick. Now you have the skill to make your truck long and lean and pull your favorite trailer, or add a cool tank like I did. Now, go make something awesome.